Good morning, everybody. It's been so long since I've seen you guys. I'm very glad to be back. It was spring break here in Florida, so I was really busy. But today we are making something for Easter. We're doing an Easter shake. How exciting! Yes. So let's get into it. What you need for your Easter shake, and I'm going to theme it a little peepee. So yeah, you need 6 scoops of vanilla ice cream. We're going to do 1 cup of Funfetti cake mix. And then you need, now you're like, when I made the other ones, you could do your decorations however you want. I'm going to be using Fruity Pebbles and Peeps. So let's get started, okay? All right. So what we're going to do is we have our blender back here. Get it ready. Okay. And we're going to put the, I need my little Scooby Poo. Got my blender here. Put the 6 scoops of ice cream, as long as I don't make a mess, into the blender. Look at that. Like a pro, which I am not. Okay. We had, of course. Oh, and milk. I didn't get the milk out. Sorry. Hold on one second. You could use any kind of milk, 2% whole milk. This time I have 2%. I usually use whole milk. But I don't use whole milk to eat cereal. And I'm going to be totally smashing this box after I make this shake. So I got the milk I always get, which is 2%. You do put 3/4 cup of milk in. And I know I look like a goofball, but I can't find that measuring cup. There's one. And so 3/4. Kind of have to figure it out. There we go. I haven't tried this shake yet, guys. I've never made it. I haven't tried it. I don't know what it tastes like. I kind of making it on the fly. I didn't even have a chance to go and do a practice run. That's what's a little like nerve-wracking. Now the fun part is putting the cake mix in. Who doesn't want cake mix in their shake? I totally do. Okay. That's 1 cup of Funfetti cake mix. I think I got Pillsbury. I think that's the only one that Publix had. And then you want to get your icing ready. You want to make sure you have your cup that you're putting the shake in the freezer so it gets nice and chilled out. Okay. Boring part, guys. I gotta go mix a shake, but there's nothing I can do about that. That's how you make a shake. And you fix it to the consistency that you prefer. I like mine thicker, which you probably already know. I'll be back. We'll speed it up for you so you don't have to watch this whole thing. That looks like, oh my God. Is that not one of the best things I've ever tried? Yes. Oh my God. You add cake batter to something, you are in for a wild ride. Holy schmoly. Max is going to love this one. Oh my God. I don't know if I want to give it to him. Debatable. Totally debatable. Alright. So I would say the mixing on this is a little bit longer than the other ones to get that cake batter mixed in. Maybe not put it in last, you know. So let me get you a clear shot of what I'm doing. We're just going to put some of this on here. Hopefully that's enough. And then the fun part. Everybody loves the decorating. So we're about to decorate. And if you didn't watch any of my other making milkshakes, then we'll just do very basic. You get your icing. I got vanilla because it goes with the theme. And you are going to coat the outside of your cold glass don't know why they recommend you putting it in the freezer when it's just going to warm up before you do it. But I'm totally down with listening to what people, like the real people, have to say, where I learned stuff from. Because obviously they know what they're doing. But you can get whatever flavor icing you want on here. Again, this is just vanilla. I feel like it would just blend in better. Try to get as even as you can. I am not very good at that, but I think I might have actually done a pretty good job. All right. Now, if this is really fun, guys, watch. I don't want to pick it up because you have to do it like kind of decent. Good job. You just roll. You just totally roll. And you don't have to use Fruity Pebbles. You could use marshmallows and all kinds of stuff. I think, well, Max, who's going to be eating this, really like the chocolate one with the chocolate pebbles on it. So we're going straight Cocoa Pebbles for him this time. And they're so spring. They are so spring. I've noticed when I do like decorating milkshake videos, people don't even watch you decorate it. They just want to know how to make it. So you're like, okay, no one's actually watching the whole video. But if you made it this far, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Doesn't that look scrumdiddlyumptious? Oh my goodness, yes. Here we go. You can put that right back into the box if you want. I mean, it ain't dirty. You just put a little bit of like rolled a cup on it. All right, here we go, guys. Hopefully there's enough. It should be plenty. Oh my gosh. Some left for me. Okay, here we go. Fun part, fun part, fun part. And you could totally do like sugar-free, and you know, if you have any reasons that you can't do like you need sugar-free or a diabetic or anything, there are totally some great options out there to do. All right, I'm never good at this, but let's try it. I might have to set it down. Can you still see? Okay. What is up with this can? It's brand new. Oh, look at that little puff. Ooh. Let's do a little fill-in. Oh my goodness, that is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. If you've been watching me from the beginning, you know that you need some skewers when you do big milkshakes like this, like fancy milkshakes, right? So I'm still using these shorter ones because I have like a gajillion of them. That's another reason why you kind of want to make a thicker shake to help the skewers stand up. You don't have to. All right. Sorry, these little peep guys. Oh, I'm shoving the skewer through. Now, I think we should alternate pink and yellow. What do you guys think? You guys ready for Easter? Did you dye some Easter eggs yet? Let me know in the comments. Oh, yes. Easter eggs. I can't wait to do them with my nephew. And these are fun milkshakes you can make whilst you are doing it. Don't you think? I freaking think this is adorable. Oh, he got messed up. Oh. Peeps. Oh, no! Uh-oh. All right, guys. Time's running thin here. These do not want to stay. They don't want to stay. All right, so we're gonna. All right, if this starts turning into something like way too messy, we're out of here. Definitely get the longer skewers because these is not anybody's fault but my own that it's doing this right now and turning into a mess. I don't have the proper length skewers, and they're not going to the bottom of the. Yeah, see, they're a little too top heavy, and that's okay. That's my fault. You get the right size skewers, and this will be perfect. So I'm going to stop right there. Now, you guys could put, I was going to put a Son of a gun. That's a mess. I was going to put a lollipop on there, but this isn't very cute. But the shake is delicious. It's delicious, and you can't help that. The skewer, I messed up. And that's why we're doing this together. Like I said in the first video, we are going to fail together, and we're going to succeed together. And this one was kind of our first. I don't even want to say fail. It's fail on the part of I got the wrong size. Not fail on the part of the taste of the shake, because it is amazing. You guys have got to try it. If you guys tried this shake, please let me know in the comments. And decorate it super cute. I would have done a lot more, but it's not working for me. But the taste of it is really good. So you guys have a great day. Happy Easter. Enjoy your shakes. If you make them, let me know in the comments, okay? Sorry that I messed up, but I still think it's kind of a cute shake. And you know what? Messing up is part of life, right? Like I said, I had to make this. I never made this shake before this moment right now. So like, subscribe, and share if you like a channel that's right there with you and learning with you, and you succeed and you fail together. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.